innovation has been at the very heart of our business objectives and the machinery of delivering on these business objectives. We started experimenting with 3D technology back in November 2014. We obviously were looking for alternative, faster, cheaper methods of delivering bespoke parts for our cabin. That's when we started experimenting with 3D products and deliver what we would consider a fit-for-purpose part.
The plastic that's been developed using 3D Systems SLS technology will be the world's lightest plastic approved for civil aviation using 3D printing. There are two main benefits to 3D printing for the airline industry. The first of which is inventory and cost reduction. Historically, airlines have had to maintain large volumes of stock for every individual piece inside their cabin. Now, the powdered plastic becomes your inventory. The CAD becomes your tooling.
One of the common problems in the aerospace industry is that people don't own the CAD files for all of their parts. 3D scanning gives you the ability to collect a significant amount of data very quickly and very accurately. Utilizing 3D Systems Geomagic DesignX, we're able to then turn that data into a parametric CAD file.
If you consider from a monetary perspective, every kilogram we carry costs us typically $10,000 a year per aircraft. Now conversely, for every kilogram you save, necessarily means you are able to cut down on about $10,000 per aircraft per year. That is enormous.
As this process uses 3D Systems selective laser sintering technology, you're no longer bound by the same design rules as injection molding. The plastic itself is 10% lighter than the average aviation plastic. Combine that with the ability to design for additive, you can create parts that have improved functionality and 25% less weight. What this gives you is improved strength-to-weight ratio, a reduction in overall weight of your aircraft, and at the bottom line, better fuel savings and better fuel economy for aircraft.